like kind of you've exhausted all other avenues. Like you've tried every fit tip in the book. You've gone through your little card deck, yeah, that you're going to be left with, and actually, no, that didn't work. Tip number 14 didn't work, 15 didn't work, 16 didn't work. This is like, okay, I'm literally at the end of the road. That is where ABC comes into its own. It stands for Assertive Boundary Control, and here's how ABC works. You do not have to use these words. That's what's really important to point out. You don't have to use these words, but it's the format that is really key. Because remember, these 4 fit tips for managing difficult conversation are all about how can I maintain rapport, how can I keep rapport intact whilst having this difficult conversation. Because you and I know in life, when we are faced with difficult conversations, what tends to happen? The rapport goes. Is that right? And so all of these tips, these 4 tips, are designed to keep the rapport intact while still having the difficult conversation. And that's why this format works so brilliantly. So I'm using these words, but it doesn't have to be these words. I understand, although, therefore. I'll give you my example. I understand that you are incredibly frustrated, Mr. Customer, that you feel we didn't make it clear that there was an option to purchase fee to make in order to settle this loan completely and for the car to be transferred into your name. Although, as I've explained, in order for that to happen, you will need to settle the option to purchase fee so that we can transfer ownership. Therefore, can I recommend that you just go back to your terms and conditions, read page 17, paragraph 4, and just satisfy yourself that that was something that you agreed to, because it is your signature on the bottom, and then we can get this sorted for you and the car can be transferred to your name once and for all.